Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So this will be a very quick vlog. I'm just giving a feedback about the Megan Hair Removal Hot Wax Kit. So remember when I vlogged about Epilin versus the hard wax beans that I ordered from Lazada? So this is also better. So if you're looking for an alternative for Epilin, because Epilin is very hard to find nowadays, especially if you can't go to Watson's because of the quarantine and all. So guys, this is enriched with sugar honey extract. It includes a circle hard wax, and they also included 20 grams of bean wax. So that was supposed to be refill just in case your hard wax is, you run out of the hard wax. Mauni siya. It does really look like honey. Di pareha tong hard wax na napalit na to na colored na more siya plastic malanay. It does not really, well, it hurts a bit because of course it's hot. However, di mo magmahay sa result because during my first pull, kani ang iyang bastos gid ko no, nagkaon akong mahode rin, bala siya. Anyway, mauna siya. If you see the hair, daghan kaayo siya nabira for the first pull. Both of these are first pulls, and if you can see, daghan kay siya buhok. And this is the second round of pulls. I can say na legit siya, na aga siya honey, because it does not have that plastic feel sa iyahang material, and it's also budget friendly because it's only 99 pesos. And again, the brand is Megan, and I bought this in Marjolein din. But nagpapalit ko ani sa Super Metro because Epilin was not available. So we really had to look for an alternative. But thank you so much, Marge, for choosing a better product. And because nakauyon ko ani, I highly recommend as well Megan Hair Removal Hot Wax Kit. It comes along with a cute spatula. So kani, usual niya. And it also comes with a pan, a melting pan. So I opt for wider sticks. So pwede ka mong palit lang mo yung ani ninyo. But if you are good with a small one, okay ra pod. Pero mas daghan magug ma-apply if kanila lapad-lapad ining gamiton. Anyway, mauna siya. So happy ko sa result. Bahala na lang na pa rin yung mabiling-biling gamay diha. But daghan kay yung natangtang in one pull. Very effective ang Megan Hair Removal Hot Wax Kit. You don't need wax paper to pull the hair out. Okay? So just be careful because it is hot. Amping lang mo. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to show your support to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button below and tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. By the way, I just noticed it's a Livestrong product. So I will be sharing this with Livestrong so that they can also upload this in their channel. Hopefully they will accept and approve it. So thank you so much, lovies. I hope to see you in my next vlog. If you have any recommendations or suggestions on what I should be vlogging about next, please do leave them in the comments as well. Thank you so much, lovies. Have a great day. Bye. Take care.